Hello classmates, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to make a video about conversions. This is actually one of the videos that are long overdue that I should have posted long ago, but don't worry, it is here right now. So we're going to be working with conversions. You guys have been asking for this video for a very long time and I'm so sorry for taking so long to upload it. So I want to show you guys this method that I have been using to convert ever since I was in grade 10 all the way to grade 12, and it has always worked out for me. And if you guys memorize the method as well, it is going to work out for you as well. So first of all, you need to know this sentence by heart. It's not a long sentence. It's just King Henry of Denmark makes delicious cakes in a minute. King Henry of Denmark makes delicious cakes in a minute. So the key words in this sentence are King Henry Denmark makes delicious cakes minute. So what you're going to do is that you're going to take the first letter of the words that I highlighted for you. So you're going to use the method like this. So in this case, we're working with meters. So we took K for king, H for Henry, D for Denmark, M for makes, D for delicious, C for cakes, and M for minute. So it is kilometer, hectometer, all the way to millimeters, right? So here's how you're going to work with the method. Let's look at the first example. So the first question says that convert 250 centimeters to millimeters. So in this case, we're converting from centimeters to millimeters. We are going in the forward direction. And as you can see here, I have written that if we're going in a forward direction, we're going to multiply. And if we're going in a backwards direction, we're going to divide. So in this case, we're converting from centimeters to millimeters. That means that we're going in a forward direction, and that means that we're going to do what? We're going to multiply. So now let's determine how many units we have to multiply by. So as you can see, it's centimeters to meters. So you're going to look for the one that is straight on the same line with centimeters, and you go all the way down, and here's the one, and the 0 on the same line with millimeters. So it is 1 and 0. So we have 10 units. That means that we're going to do what? We're going to multiply, because we're going in a forward direction, and multiply by 10 units. It is 10 units between centimeters and millimeters. So to get our answer, what we need to do is that we just have to say 250 centimeters and multiply it by 10 units. So let's click that on the calculator and see how much it gives us. 250 multiplied by 10. That gives us a total of 2,500 millimeters. Your answer is now in millimeters. So this means that 250 centimeters equals to 2,500 millimeters. We have converted centimeters to millimeters. So now let's go to the second example. You have been told to convert 10 meters to centimeters. So we're now converting from meters to centimeters. Okay, it's meters to centimeters. So here's how we're going to do it. We're just going to use the same method that we used in the previous question. First of all, you need to know that we're converting from meters to centimeters. It's the forward direction, and that means that we're going to multiply, but by how many units? So you're going to look for the one that is on the same line with the M for meters. Here is the 1, and the 0, which is on the same line with centimeters, and here is the 0. So that means that we have 100 units between meters and centimeters. So that means that we're going to do what? We're going to multiply, because we're going in a forward direction. We're going to multiply by 100 units. So we're just going to say 10 meters and multiply it by 100 units. Click that on the calculator. 10 multiplied by 100, it gives us 1,000 centimeters. So that means that 10 meters is equivalent to 1,000 centimeters. This is our final answer in centimeters. Let's go to the next one, where we have to convert 100 meters to kilometers. So we're going from meters to kilometers, meters to kilometers. We are now going in a backwards direction. We're going in a backwards direction, and that means that we have to do what? We have to divide. We're going in a backwards direction, and we have to divide, right? So let's determine the units that we're going to divide with. So it's meters to kilometers. So we're just going to use the same method the 1 that is on the same line with kilometers, here is the 1, and the 0 that is on the same line with meters, here is the 0. So how many units do we have between kilometers and meters? We have 1, 1, 2, 3. We have 1,000 units between kilometers and meters. That means that we're going to do what? To divide by 1,000 units. So we're just going to say 100 meters divide by 1,000 units. So it is going to be 100 divided by 1,000, and that gives us 0.1 kilometers. So that means that 100 meters is equals to 0.1 kilometers. So that is how we convert from meters to kilometers. Let us go to the last one, where we have to convert from centimeters to meters. So it's centimeters to meters. Okay, let me erase this. So we're going from centimeters to meters. We're going in a backwards direction. Okay, so now let's determine the units that we have to divide with. Since we're going in a backwards direction, we're also going to divide on this one. So we're going from centimeters to meters. The 1 on the same line with meters and the 0 on the same line with centimeters, we have 100 units. So that means that we're going to do what? We're going to take our 1,000 centimeters and do what with it? Divide it by 100. So let's see how much that gives us. 1,000 divided by 100, that gives us 10 meters. So that means that 1,000 centimeters equals to 10 meters. So this is how we convert between units of measurements. And I know that in this case I was using meters, but you can only just change the meters. If you have to use liters, maybe it'll be kiloliters, liters, and then here on the M it is going to be L for liters, you know, centiliters and milliliters. So this is how we work with conversions. This is how we convert from a certain unit of measurement to the other one. I hope you guys understood it better, and I hope that from now on you'll be able to master conversions. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really hope that it was helpful. May goodness and grace lead you to the great heights of success.